Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add text in Affinity. So once you're inside a blank design here in Affinity and you want to add text, look to the lower left hand side and you will find this T. This is the artistic text. You can choose if you want to add normal text or artistic text, but just go ahead and click on that and just go ahead and draw your text box. Now, as you can see, if I try to draw the text box, it's currently showing me the artistic text. However, if you want to use a normal text, just switch this from artistic text to normal text and just simply go ahead and start typing. Now, here you will have to type whatever you want. So if I'm going to just say design, I can go ahead and type that in and you can change the size. In case you seen your text very small like this, let me go ahead and highlight it and make it very small. You will just need to go ahead and change the size at the top here. So at the top you will have the size, you have the normal functions for your letters. You can change the size here to put whatever you want. You can change the bold, you can make it bold or not bold, you can change the color and so forth. Whatever it is that you want to change for your text, you can change the font. All of those good stuff you have right here. You can go ahead and you can find your designs and so forth, right? But that's basically it, guys. Now you may be wondering, okay, how do I center my text? You can go ahead and center your text. You can do as much. The functions for working with text are pretty much the same. You just need to go ahead and just know how to basically add text. At any point in time, if you want to move your text, just simply go ahead and click on the arrow on the upper left. This is the move. Just click on that and then you can click and move your text around just like this. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.